Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Huawei Acceleration Kit and show the integration steps. Huawei Accelerate Kit provides the multi-thread acceleration capability that efficiently improves concurrent execution of multiple threads. It provides multi-thread programming APIs to improve the performance and makes multi-core or multi-thread applications run faster and more efficient. It is located above the kernel in the OS and open to developers as a set of C language APIs. Most of current Android devices run on a multi-core system. For using full system capabilities, Huawei provides Accelerate Kit solution. Works on heterogeneous multi-core hardware addresses performance issues. Those programs that can execute multiple tasks concurrently are preferred to use it. Now, let's get coding.
Open the Huawei developer website, go to Console, App Gallery Connect, and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select Manually enter the package name, enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnect-services.json file. Open Android Studio, create a C++ native project. Add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name. Create include and libs folder under app directory. Copy the files in the include and lib directory of the SDK to the newly created folder. Open the app level build.gradle file and add the following lines for NDK build. Now open the cmakelist.txt file at the directory of header files of the multi-thread library. Add the .so files related to the multi-thread library. Specify the path of .so file related to multi-thread library. Add the command for copying .so files. Add the fblocks compilation option. Add the dependency of .so files. Open native-lib.cpp file. Create a function to calculate the value of pi till 20 decimal places. Pi needs to be updated in a subsequent block and number of threads are 8. Call dispatch queue create to create a serial queue. Call dispatch apply for synchronous execution. Call dispatch sync to calculate the sum of each task and call dispatch release to release the space of the accumulator. Go to main activity. Initialize the text view and print the value of pi. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try out to do that. Open newly installed Acceleration Kit application, which is using 8-thread get the value of pi. The value will be displayed and there you go. You have now integrated Huawei Acceleration Kit into your app. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website, and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.